Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this loan platform, which is simplefastloan.com. So let's dive into it. So talking about Simple Fast Loan, it offers a quick installment loan with a simple online application and fast approval process, making it attractive for those who need emergency cash. Many users praise its same-day or next-day funding and the convenience of borrowing between $200 to $3,000 without too much hassle. It's designed for speed and accessibility, which can be a lifeline in urgent financial situations. However, the downsides are hard to ignore. Interest rate can be very high, fees aren't always transparent, and some reports suggest aggressive lending practices. Scam review site and user complaint raise concern about the credibility, with warnings about hidden charges and potential issue of personal data. In conclusion, while Simple Fast Loan might work for short-term need, it carries a risk that make more transparent lender like a credit union or reputable online loan provide a safer choice. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.